In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can completely remove your Facebook account from your device. So if you want to wipe all the data of your Facebook account from your device such that there is no trace or someone has just to log in afresh, it is pretty much easy to do it on your smartphone. To do so, go ahead and tap on this menu icon here shown by your photo, and then this will open the menu. Under the menu, tap on settings, and then from settings choose password and security, and then scroll down until you see the option called password and security here. Now tap on this and then choose this option saved logins. So if you tap on this, now we shall be taken to this page where now you can remove your account from this device. If you select this option, we are told that you'll need to enter your email address or phone number and then enter the password the next time you log in. So if I go ahead and tap on remove, you can see here my login information has been removed. And therefore, to get in again, I have just to go ahead and enter my email and password for me to log in afresh. You can also go ahead and also remove your login details from other devices and browsers that you have ever logged in. As you can see, we have this and this. So that's how you log Facebook out of your device, by following these simple instructions. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.